Hello, myself Devendra Monday, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Kodi. Earlier, we discussed regarding the MSME sectors and tech, how they are helping industrial estates and all those things, and also about a little bit about the government schemes also for the that encouraging that MSME sector. So, in present class, that we will discuss about the government schemes, subsidies, and incentives. So, to here for the betterment or to encourage the MSME sector, government also assisting in different way by subsidizing, so by helping through subsidies or by schemes, adopting so many schemes and so many incentives are also there. So from those, few are here we will discuss regarding all those. That earlier also in schemes we discussed about PMEGP. It's very important either in this part so many subsidies are so available in present days. So Prime Minister Employment Generation Program is nothing but PMEGP. The objective of this central sponsored scheme of Ministry of MSME, the Government of India being implemented this from 2008, is to provide gainful self-employment. Its main thing is to give or to gain self-employment opportunities to educated unemployed ones through industrial activities. So services also there and by making their own businesses. So how it assisting? Nature of assistance is very important now. Financial assistance in the form of MSME subsidy on a unit or a particular project. It's happening there. Budgetary allocation is there every year. In budget, that amount should be there for the betterment of that particular scheme or subsidy. So next is of about MPDA, Market Promotion and Development Scheme. This scheme has been launched by merging different schemes implemented by the Khadi sector, including publicity, marketing, market promotion, and marketing development assistance. So, nature of assistance in the sense modified market development assistance is allowed to 30% on the prime cost of Khadi, 30%. Scheme of fund for regeneration of traditional industries, that is Spurthi. The main objective of this scheme was to organize traditional industries and artisans into clusters and thus help make them competitive, get them more revenue, make their products more marketable, and provide long term sustainability. So, assistance in the sense the assistance is divided in two types: soft interventions, which can draft to rupees 25 lakh, and hard interventions, which will be assessed as per project requirement. So, these are usually assistance is divided in this way in these two types. As Spurti, the scheme is very important scheme is there, and also a subsidy is also there. Aspire, a scheme for promoting innovation, rural industry, and entrepreneurship. The main objective of this scheme are to create new jobs because in MSME sector, for like India, the countries like India, it's a full of population. They need more jobs because of population. So, for fulfillment of that criteria, it creates new jobs and reduce unemployment and also promote entrepreneurship culture in India. So, assistance nature is setting up of livelihood business incubators through which the above objectives will be met. Budgetary allocation is also there. ATI is there, assistance to training institutions. This scheme provided to national level training institutions operating under the Ministry of MSME, namely NIMS ME, KVIC, that is NIMSME, KVIC, NSIC, and MG NRI, like this type. Next is of how it assisting. Revenue grant is provided to these institutions on an annual basis. So budgetary allocation is also there every year. Micro and Small Enterprises Cluster Development, MSE CDP. The scheme provides financial assistance to special purpose vehicles, companies set up by cluster units. Nature of assistance means for diagnostic study, a soft intervention, hard intervention, and infrastructure development. Budgetary allocation is also there. MDA, MSME Market Development Assistance. The scheme has been envisaged with a view to increasing the participation of international and domestic trade and adoption of barcoding. So, nature of assistance means financial assistance toward participation by MSME entrepreneurs in overseas trade delegations and publicity material. Allocation is also there, budgetary allocation. Performance and credit rating scheme is there. The objective of the scheme is to create awareness. Nature of assistance is rating fee is subsidized by the government to the extent of up to 75%. Budgetary allocation is also there. Some are there. Credit Guarantee Trust Fund for Micro and Small Enterprises is also there. ISEC is there. Interest Subsidy Eligibility Certificate is also there. Science and technology schemes are there. Koyer Udyami Yojana is there. And also Koyer Vikas Yojana is there. Skill upgradation and Mahila Koyer Yojana is there. Development of production infrastructure is also there. So in this way, so many are there, including this seed money scheme also that we earlier discussed in schemes. So these are all the subsidies and incentives and schemes from the government to the betterment of this MSME sector.